Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Super excited to do a quick video for you. Hey guys, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Guys, great things are happening. We're going to talk about a payment that just came in. We're going to talk about what we got going on. Guys, stay tuned for the next few days. Are going to be absolutely epic. It's going to be explosive. Stay tuned. Don't you miss one video, guys, because we're introducing some new concepts, some things that's going to help you in your income. And now it's go time. We are hitting some numbers. We're hitting some expectations, guys. This is incredible. Some of the things we got going on, some of the programs that we're getting involved with. You want to tag along for the ride. Income disclaimer, guys, nothing happens until you take action. This postcard here is going to be incredible. When you get a chance, guys, come over to the channel. Take a look at some of these videos of what the payments that we've got coming in. Prosperity People System, the Easy Money postcard, the Millionaire Mailer. Guys, I got a big payment to show you. Came in from the Millionaire Mailer. Again, today, another payment. And there's several payments, guys, there. I'm not even going to go through the checks that we've received over the last few days. I'll show you this big one that just came in today, and we'll go from there. But again, guys, there you go, the different checks. I'm holding back people's personal information. But just super excited, guys, about what we've got going on here. Check out the channel. The Millionaire Marketing System, guys, this thing's going to be a financial miracle. I'm going to make another video about talking about this thing here. But first things first, guys, you get in where you fit in. Multiple streams of income is where is that. You want to have several streams of income, guys. You can have money coming from the north, east, south, and west as where you want to be. I cannot stress the importance of it, folks. And I'm talking about big ticket commissions. The Millionaire Mailer is rocking and rolling, folks. It has never been better. We've got the postcard wealth system as a part of the Millionaire Mailer family now. Look at this postcard. The $100 level postcard wealth system. It has 4 levels. You pay $100 to each person, to 4 people, and then you're in. And we got the postcard wealth system 100, the 50, the 25, the 250, 100, and the $1,000 level of the postcard wealth system. Folks, postcard marketing is where it's at. I could not stress more about these postcards. They're exploding. And folks, this is the wave of the future. It will be. And the Millionaire Mailer, guys, you want to get a website just like this, guys, you can get a website. We can hook you up with that if you like. And then you can mail postcards with it. We can make the postcard for you on your behalf. Incredible. Guys, we just had a payment come in. Want to show you, cover the person's information. They came in on the, this is another family member of the Millionaire Mailer family, the $500 cash machine flyer, beautiful flyer. And let me cover up this person's information. I'll cover up the person's information. You know who you are. Welcome to the program. They sent that money order in. Look at that. Just absolutely incredible to what we've got going on in these programs. And we're nothing special. Folks, if you can mail a flyer or a postcard, you can win. Tell somebody about it. Put people in front of this information. Folks, the sky's the limit. And I'm telling you, people are looking to put money to work. They're getting their stimulus checks, and great things are happening over the next few months, the next few years. So get aboard, guys, and let's roll. With the Millionaire Mailer, guys, this video, again, does a selling, telling, explaining for you. Here are the levels of participation. This thing absolutely works. The 25, 50, 100, 250, 500, and the $1,000 level. People are getting excited. And we want you to be excited also. We want you guys to be excited and be inspirational in every aspect of your business, every aspect of your life. We want you to win. You're not even plugging into a opportunity, you're plugging in an opportunity to win and to win big. Why you should be excited, guys. We've got proof picks on here, guys. Look at that. Just endless proof. Look at this money orders. These were actually paid out to Mary Beth. Incredible information, guys. We have a conference call, guys, every Tuesday night. It's Mary Beth and look like her beloved Benji. Guys, you want to talk to Mary Beth? There is her information, guys. Or if you send this video, get back to the person that referred you to the program. This thing absolutely worked, guys. You can get a site just like this. And we'll get you started. We'll get you rolling, guys. You can utilize the proof here that is provided on this website, guys. It'll be on your website, and we'll get you out to the races. It's an honest, legitimate program, guys, with rock solid support, and we back this thing with products. You're going to get a marketing kit, a physical kit, mailed to your home. It's going to have a report in it. The report's going to have leads. It's going to have leads, and it's going to have the report. It's going to have getting started instructions, the camera-ready copy of your flyers. And, guys, it's just exciting to be a part of a system that you have unlimited support. You have the conference call backing you up 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, doing it, selling, telling, explaining for you, so you never have to, guys. The Millionaire Mailer, we're winning big. Guys, people are coming in, and they're getting excited. More payments that I'm not even going into email to show you guys for the sake of the time of the video. This is going to be a kind of a short one today. But I really want you guys to pay attention to what's going on over the next few days. We're going to be starting some big things here on the channel. Right here, guys, the Millionaire Mailer proof here. The yellow postcard, guys. You can get involved 500, 1,500, 35, and then we're going to go to $7,500, $1,000 level with this postcard. This thing's incredible, guys. This is just the first part of what we call the Easy Money System postcards. There will be, let me repeat, there will be 2 more of these postcards, and there will be different colors. There'll be a yellow postcard, a light blue one, and a green postcard. And that will be part of the Easy Money System family of postcards with the Easy Money System. We're developing them right now. Get in this thing, folks. It's going to be rocking and rolling. We back this thing with products and service and value. The Premier Marketing System, guys. I'm going to talk to you more about that on another video. So, yeah, we're putting together great, a lot of people. I am going to be aligning myself in some silver and gold opportunities. So stay tuned. If you like silver and gold, gold and silver, I'm going to hopefully start a big team. And I'm going to need a person on my right and a person on my left. We're going to build a massive team with massive spillover. And I'm just lining that up right now. So if you might be interested in that, guys, get a hold of me now. I hadn't even joined it yet. So it's just that new. I need a person on right and left. And we're going to build that thing out over the next few years. You know how I do, guys. I grab a hold of a program and I'll work it 10 years. And it's going to be massive. So find one of these programs, guys. Get in where you fit in. Find a program that resonates with you. That makes sense and less rock and roll. Again, guys, check out this video, guys, of the Millionaire Mailer. The payment came in here. This postcard here is incredible. We've got 2 more coming over the next few months. And that's going to be incredible. Prosperity People System, guys. That thing is exploding. I am picking up $1,500 sales left and right. Again, income disclaimer, nothing happens until you take action. And we want you to take action today. Very excited, guys, about the possibility of the future. I found out, folks, the more people that you help in life, the more you help in life, the more successful you can become. Guys, want to look briefly at the Millionaire Mailer video, and then we'll go off with that. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now until the next video. Let's look at a piece of this video here. Hey guys, the Millionaire Mailer relaunch of the high levels, the 4, 5, and 6 especially, guys, the level 5 and 6, which is the $500 level and the $1,000 level. Folks, people are getting so excited about these programs. If you can mail a flyer or a postcard, you can make money with these programs. They are turnkey simple. $500 sale. So I'm going to cover this person's information. See, got 628 for the date on the money order. 628. There we go. Another $500 sale.
Hi there, everybody. This is Mary Beth Angelelli here with the Millionaire Mailer. So I have received a total of 4 packages. Okay, I have these 2 envelopes right here, and we have
4 packages Mary Beth just received. Mary Beth's up here in the corner, guys.
we have
All right.
another priority right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and open these up real quick. Let's see what we have inside. And this is just, more validation that this program, does work. It does produce. If you work this program like anything, the Millionaire Mailer will absolutely work for you. This is an opportunity that you can promote both online and offline. I elected 4 years ago when I started the Millionaire Mailer to combine the best of both worlds, and I have an amazing, amazing funnel for the Millionaire Mailer. So let's see what we have here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, this is the first of 4. So you can see here, this is addressed to me right here. And let us see what we have here. Okay, we have a $100 money order payable to me, and this is from Mercy. So I would like to welcome Mercy to the team and thank you very much for here is the first in the amount of $100. Okay, here is number 2 of 4. All right, addressed to me. As you can see, that is me, and that is my address. So go ahead and open this up here. This is for level 1, and as you can see, folks, this is more evidence that this program produces residually here. As you can see, I did not know this flyer. Okay, my name is in the number 2 position. This flyer was sent by Cheryl, and as a result, I received a wonderful residual payment in the amount of $25. Okay, as you can see here, we're up by $125 thus far. Okay, and we have 2 more to go. So this is another envelope here. So we're going to go ahead and slowly and carefully open this up. Wow. Now this is something I was anticipating from Jerry. This is actually an upgrade. Jerry upgraded. And you can absolutely get started where you are, folks. Get in where you
I believe Mary Beth's getting ready to show a $500 money order proof video. Check this out, guys. This is super exciting. Oh my gosh.
Because Jerry now is upgraded, and look, he sent me a money order in the amount of $500. You can see that right there.
$500, guys.
Money order, thank you very much.
I'm going to stop the video right there, guys. Incredible, guys. The vision is extremely bright for the future for the Millionaire Mailer. Guys, check out some other programs on the channel. Let's get you started in something today. We're going to help you to win. Get a hold of me, guys. Get me on the phone, and we'll go from there. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.